It was clear that Black Station was occupied by fascists, but Ullman had said he'd wait for me there. I had to risk it.
Who is it? Surrender and you won't get hurt. I swear!
What took you so long? Where's Pavel? Did he... All right, later. The situation got worse. Nazis literally flooded the station. He'll have to act alone. Sorry. But if you can shut down their generator, it'll be easier to sneak past the guards. Take this. I will wait for you in the deserted tunnel to Polis.
How's your family?
Same as their father. Yours?
I don't know. I haven't seen them for weeks. And now we're stuck here.
Yeah.
Who needs all that?
Uh-huh. And who is gonna feed your children, huh? Sturbenführer, perhaps?
What the life? Maybe get their families and go to Ganza?
You know what happened to those who tried.
Bastards. This shit much longer. Aye, come on. Who's gonna fight for Russian purity in the whole metro? I'm serious. So slack off a little. Kill and pillage only on the holidays. Oh, you're evil. Me? No. An evil guy would volunteer for an execution squad or be a commander or something. I'm a realist. Sure you are. Look, the rest of the metro is sinking in shit, but not us. Why? Because we have order. And if we don't force our will on every station down the line, it's fucking doomsday. Don't you feel pity for people? It's too late for pity. Get used to it.
Nothing. The rest of it isn't good.
Sleep deprivation does its tricks.
No.
You ever hear the stories about Metro 2 and the Invisible Watchers? No. You've heard of Ragnarok, the last battle of the gods? Well, Metro 2 is the place where the gods of the Soviet pantheon will take shelter if the forces of evil prevail. The legends say Metro 2 lies hidden beneath this one. Ours is the Metro for the sheep, and the Metro 2 is for the shepherds and their dogs. Once upon a time, the shepherds ruled the herd for them. But later,
What the fuck is
their
that?
sheep were dispersed in many directions. A single gate to join these two worlds at a place which now splits the red star. But something has been. And the gate to Metro 2 was shut down forever. Those living here forgot about it. It does exist. It is all around us. Tunnels entwined with our own feet. Behind the walls of our state.
Artyom, my man! You made it! Here, you climb in here and rest. We'll reach Polis soon.
These are not the usual mutant creatures. This is something else. Something much worse. Fear. We're weak. We'll die. This is the end. Even children hated by their parents try to love and understand them. We wish to understand you and help you. No, not John! We want down. We want peace. Doing. Wicked phenomenon, yes? But, you know, it's not any more evil than, say, fire. It all depends on your point of view. Try to get a better understanding of things before you make your judgment. Let's move out now. It's not safe here.